Ones. Single digit numbers are called ones. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are called ones. Tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These numbers are called tens because there is a difference of 10 numbers between each of them. These open beads are called ones. And this strip of 10 beads is called bar of 10. Now, how many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ones. Now, how many bars of tens we have? 1, 2. So we have 5 ones and 2 bars of tens. Now, how many ones and how many bars of tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones. Now, how many bars of tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 bars of tens.